Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how can you fix cannot currently use WhatsApp because it is violating our commerce policy. So guys, if you are facing this problem, then how can you fix it? So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to just simply open your app store or play store, and now from here guys just simply tap on search here for WhatsApp, and make sure that you are using updated version of WhatsApp. If there are any update, then simply update it first and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then we have to just simply open any browser and tap on search and search here for WhatsApp support. Tap on search, and here you can see guys contact WhatsApp. Tap on this. Now from here guys just simply here tap on contact us, and here you can see guys simply enter your phone number here and re-enter, and after that just simply enter your email address, and after that confirm email address, and from here guys just simply select your device which you are using, and after that here you can see guys simply explain your problem in a brief way of your problem, and after that WhatsApp team will help you to fix this problem, and they will try to fix this problem in 24 hours. So hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.